Hey guys, it's a no makeup kind of day. So I got my coffee here. I am gonna watch some, I don't know, Probably Little Liars, Liars or Charmed or something. So today we are doing two things. One is I kind of want to try my best to kind of get through my daughter's nursery. This room has not been touched since she's been born. Well, we actually it was a lot worse in here. It was like hoarders. Like it's our catch-all right now. It has her clothes since she was little still, even though we sold a lot in the garage sale, and it has a lot of stuff that I just kind of want to fix it if I can and organize it. And then two, again, I don't have makeup on because I'm actually gonna color my hair after this, and take a nice shower, and probably shave my legs. I already waxed my armpits, so in like a little bit of a mom day. But first, I do really want to tackle this. It's a hot mess express. It is so embarrassing, but honestly, it's been my catch-all for a while, and we don't really have any kind of storage other than like a garage. I mean, we have the wall in there, but it's packed with Christmas stuff. Because if you've been here and you've seen these Christmas videos, I love Christmas. So yeah, let me go ahead and just kind of show you the hot mess we're working with. Oh my god, yes. Yeah. I feel like it looks worse than it actually is. Because that corner is actually organized back there. Yeah, guys. This is travel stuff. So there's actually bins right here. That's getting Florida ready. There's a lot of stuff here. Yeah, I just need to fix it. So let's go ahead and do that because, oh my god. All right, guys, there's so much moving pieces. But honestly, before the garage, so I couldn't even sit on the floor like I just did right now. There was so much stuff in there. We also had our old mattress still in there. I couldn't even walk into this room. It literally was like an episode of Hoarders. But we really want to get to this room. I am gonna mention later on about what I kind of want to do because everything actually is good and just needs a home. Like I just need to buy like another cubic little section so everything can have a nice home and have it be nice and organized. I did make a couple of bags for another garage sale and just really separated things and had it a little bit more organized. Just to kind of clear up that middle space there. This might be super random, but I absolutely love this little section. I have my first ultrasound. I also have like her first songs and the first little picture of my princess. I also have a first year anniversary picture of me and my husband there. That is like I think almost 18 years, 17 years old, which is crazy. But yeah, I'm really happy to finally be getting this room done. Okay, so this is as good as it's gonna get right now. I do need my husband's help to move some other stuff, but this is actually Christmas stuff. I don't know if he wants to keep those. Her little seat there, I just put it there in case she wants to sit. That's all travel stuff. So that'll be in storage soon, so that'll be more space once after our trip. So my husband's Legos are in there. Those are actually like right here is like some toys and baskets and stuff for like Halloween. Right here I actually have her first coloring books and stuff. I know I'm weird. Her feeding stuff. That bag is from my best friend. That is just gift bags. That is just other bags. This one's gonna be additional garage sale bags when we have one. My husband's gonna sell that toy on Poshmark. Now, yes, there's still a little mountain there, but to be fair, underneath there is 2 car seats and 2 big bins right there. I just put the other stuff kind of like on top of it. That's honestly toy rotation. Just right now she's not playing with this. I took it out. Now the bed looks like a hot mess, but that's because that's like her pillow when she slept. It's a ball. That's for her to sit up on. My nursing pillow. I use that pillow also for nursing, her little mini. And that guy is actually from our old bed. It was a topper. Husband wants to keep that to either make like a little kind of like a play thing for her or something, so we have kept it. That's why it's kind of scrunched up there. The crib has never been used for bed for her. These are her bigger toys that she likes, but again, toy rotation. I've been wanting to get rid of that thing. That was in the yard sale and she brought it home. That little guy is a train set. She actually really loves it, but we decided to keep it up here since it is kind of big. yeah, so those are the bigger things back there. And then I have Easter stuff. I went through this closet already. That is preschool stuff that I'm starting. Her size 9 shoes that she has, blankets, Easter stuff, educational stuff. This is like my other backup of my backup downstairs. Bags and stuff like that, I just keep it in there. This one I already went through and organized it, so that we could start buying her some winter clothes. But yeah, so at least I have room now, if you can tell. Here you go, like this. Again, I hate that it looks like that, but it is what it is right now. I just like that we have room. Of course, once we decide to add an additional person to our lives, we're probably going to move actually that to our extra bedroom, since it's big enough to have the king size bed and the crib, and probably make this a second playroom to have it nicely, like all that stuff nicely put away. Or I might just get another one of those and organize that stuff into here, which is my next, probably most likely going to do. I'll probably just buy another one of those and put that stuff right there. But again, this is just travel stuff right now. This is so much more organized than it has been, so I'm happy that I was able to at least get kind of that done, so that it kind of looks put together, because it was looking like a hot mess. But I'm happy that it at least looks kind of cleaned up, and I have room right here to do my packing video coming in about a month for you guys. So yeah, I am happy with my little pile of messes. At least I can see the floor and it doesn't look as bad as it did. Even brought up our big suitcase, that black guy right there. I don't even know what suitcases I'm taking, guys. I just know I'm taking the big one. I don't know what smaller ones. I'm taking that little cute princess one for my daughter's toys, but other than that, I have no idea what I'm doing. Right, I found my hair dye. I literally was going through everything in my house, like what the hey, where is it? I remembered I colored my hair upstairs last time. I normally do it in the basement, so I found it. I was about to color my hair magenta because I had a magenta one, but this is the one I use for my roots. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair for this. I'm not gonna show you guys in this video though, because I am gonna probably film that for, I have a video on it, and I'm also probably gonna film it for the prep for our trip as well. So I will see you guys after I'm done coloring. All right, so this time I actually decided not to do my eyebrows. I decided to not do my eyebrows because my toddler actually didn't like my eyebrows red last time. She could tell mommy no. So I didn't do my eyebrows. Obviously I'm all colored. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and then maybe do my makeup. I'm not 100% sure. My mom's actually cooking today, yay. But yeah, let's get this hair done. And my hair's done, and my makeup too. Mom made rice and some pork chops. And it wouldn't be one of my videos without me washing dishes for the 5,000th time of the day. I am my own dishwasher. Alright guys, I almost forgot to exit out of this video. It's still sunny outside, it's not late, but I think this is a good time to just, call it a day. We are watching Harry Potter. Yes, even my toddler, she likes grabbing a pencil and pretending she is the wizard. That's my baby, I'm so proud. I guess she's gonna get her a letter when she's 11. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave this emoji down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.